we're gonna go with a little bit. Your parrot getting on bad.
You have no behavior.
It's just like his mother.
Of course. Hi everyone, you're watching How to Foodie Nation. Ready your taste buds, because this week Chef Jason is going to be teaching us something sweet and delicious, pineapple barbecue sauce. So let's get mixing.
So Kezi, condiments, another one. We did garlic sauce earlier on.
We did garlic sauce and it was great. And if you want to see that video, check the description box below for the link.
Everyone loved it. And they wanted to do a barbecue sauce.
Yes, but not any old barbecue sauce.
We're doing a pineapple barbecue sauce today.
Sweet, smoky goodness.
Of course, we try to be a little extra here.
So
of course,
start.
Let's do it. So we have our saucepan on the stove.
A saucepan.
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 Saucepan or saucepan? Which one?
It's saucepan.
A saucepan.
We have it on the stove.
Medium heat. I need to put some vegetable oil inside there.
Okay.
So you're going to get that nice and hot. Typically when we go in the supermarket, we just buy barbecue sauce and, pretty much barbecue at home on the grill. I'm going to show you guys how to make it at home. It's dead simple. Just 6 standard aromatics at home and ingredients that we have. So let's get started. We have some chopped onions, garlic, and pimentos. Again, our local aromatics. Why not put them inside here? We start soups, stews, gravies, curries, everything with it. Apparently condiments now. So we're going to get that nice sugar to come out of the garlic and onions and the pimentos inside there. So it's going to add character and make our sauce more complex. This is not in the bottled stuff, people. This is homemade stuff. So you're going to ensure that when people come and they taste their barbecues at home, be like, this guy has something special. Now we're going to add some chopped pineapple, fresh pineapple inside there.
And we actually got this pineapple right here in Trinidad.
Tableland.
From Tableland. Did you guys know that we actually grow pineapples in Tableland?
I actually have a friend from up there, and he's a farmer. He always brings pineapples every time he comes and checks me. And really top knowledge, quality stuff.
Yeah, always buy local, guys. Support our own.
Increasing the heat to high right now, there's more volume in our pot. The sweetness of the pineapple is going to break down, it's going to get complex and really add to that flavor or that pineapple flavor, that bold flavor that we want in this barbecue sauce. We want to let that go for about 2 minutes. So we have our sweet component inside there. Let's add our tarty, bold flavors of the ketchup. Ketchup is a foundation in barbecue sauce, ladies and gents. You need it. That nice rich tomato flavor and boldness is what is going to caramelize our chicken or meat or seafood or whatever you are barbecuing. So that goes inside there. So that's the foundation.
Okay.
We're going to add some honey. You gotta sweeten it up, if you know what I'm talking about. And you gotta
thicken it as well.
You know how to scrape that bowl from there, Cassie?
Yes, sir.
I sure I probably have a teaspoon inside there. We don't waste. And honey expensive these days, Honey, especially when you go up Grandy. Honey is served and sold on the streets, especially on the road, the main roads. I check it out. A lot of farmers up there who are proud of their own honey. So purchase the bottle from them. We're gonna go with a little bit. Your parrot getting on bad.
You have no behavior.
It's just like his mother.
Of course.
You see quarreling with me? You know what he's saying? I will barbecue that. I will barbecue him later.
You won't touch my parrot.
Listen, I'm making the sauce ready. Give me a chance here.
Let's continue.
Some pineapple juice inside there also. So not only the fruit we're using the juice inside there. That's going to add to the viscosity and the liquid form or factor of the sauce. So you have some little bit of spreadability.
Got it.
All right. A little bit of cumin inside there for both flavors.
Ooh.
People think that cumin or Geera in this nature pretty much is just for curry.
Curry, yeah.
But it adds earthy tones, which is very good in the sauces. A lot of times we do rubs, especially for meats. Cumin or Geera is a big flavor element. Green seasoning. Can you put that inside there for me?
Certainly, sir.
So the green seasoning, the celery, the chive, the shadow benny, all that great stuff inside is pulverized. So you're going to get a little bit of the Caribbean essence. That's the DNA of the Caribbean.
Of course.
A little bit of chili powder. So you got a little bit of heat, paprika, and barbecue sauce. Synonymous. Smokiness.
That's where we get that nice smoke that we talked about
Exactly. Immediately, as you could see already, it's starting to develop a thick viscosity.
Yeah.
So you know it's going to have nice ability to cling to the meat. Very important. We don't want a loose barbecue sauce, wash your barbecue. You want that nice one with character and personality. I'm going to deal with your parrot just now. Okay, all right. She get up. Molasses, you want to scoop that out?
Sure.
So molasses is going to give it depth. Molasses that pretty popular ingredient that we make tulum with. Also has this great molasses aspect in terms of that brown, thick, deep, crude color that is going to add to the texture of
And
this
it's
sauce.
actually going to add to the color as well.
Yeah,
with the
exactly.
sauce.
Beautiful.
You want to make sure and get everything from it.
Listen, when you see a rolling tulum sauce, it's all kind of molasses all over the place, you know. A little bit of tartiness, so we need a little bit of apple cider. You could use homemade, not homemade, but more or less the home-style white vinegar.
Yeah, distilled vinegar.
Correct, yes. There you go inside there. So we got that tartness going on. So we want to mix that up together. Typically now, as you bring all the ingredients together, we're going to cover it and let it go for about 6 to 8 minutes on medium heat, just to allow everything to come together and meld. So let's cover it down.
Okay.
Okay, so 6 minutes has gone by.
Ooh.
It almost looks like it has this sort of nice crude consistency.
Chef, it is nice and
Smells good, huh?
thick. Yeah.
So what I want to add now is a little bit of Chadon Beni inside there.
Okay.
Again, always adding herbs at the end, so we get that nice vibrant flavor coming through.
Nice punch.
We didn't add any black pepper and salt in this. Could you add some for me, please?
Certainly, sir.
So, and then I want to taste it.
Okay.
What I like about it is that the onions and the garlic and the pimentos add a little more
A
salt.
little more.
You could still see the texture of it inside there. So it's a beautiful thing. Your neighbor to just come in just so, boy. Look, JD. JD, what's going on? Just so.
I did not know.
Why you listen to
Wait,
my
JD, they just pop in just so, JD.
How you doing? How you doing, man?
Everything good, brother?
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to-
my kitchen.
Love this show. Love this show.
Thanks
Sean,
so
listen.
much.
I was going to the beach.
Yeah.
With my friends. And leave quite for Marima to come down here and realize halfway we had nothing to eat.
So you
So
come
I
for
just,
my food?
No, I just hit up Sean. And Sean was like, come upstairs, go through the kitchen, but I didn't know they were taping.
But we're going to barbecue. In a little while, we're going to do. So
You
we just
staying
finished
for
up with
food?
barbecue sauce. You staying?
No, I have some friends. I was just passing through. First of all, I would like to say I love this show.
Yeah.
Big
Thanks,
fan.
thanks,
Big
thanks.
fan. I don't know if you all know, but
I saw it.
I have a show.
Yes,
We love you
we
too.
love you too, JD.
I have a show. I'm part of the family, so I can take this little plug here. Check me out. But yo, let me do this stuff. I was just passing through. I did not know they were sleeping. Yo, forgive me, people. Sorry. It's called JD Eats. Yeah.
Check him out.
Check out
Combination,
JD.
Eats. Yeah. So
Alright, JD.
I'd love to stay. Thank you.
All right, brother.
Sorry to disturb.
No problems.
Thanks
Fresh
for coming.
anytime. This is the home of Foodie Nation.
Chef Lord.
This is what people just be passing through like that to the studio.
Bye-bye.
Sorry.
So black pepper you put inside there?
I did.
This is what goes on inside here.
It's
JD
a
just
foodie
pop.
family.
Y'all check out JD, man. Great vlog on Foodie Nation.
So you need to taste this sauce. Don't get too distracted.
Can I get excited? Oh god.
How are we going?
Ooh, I love this. The pineapple is amazing. No, seriously. We have to use this on something. What are you thinking?
Not my parrot. You're not putting it on my parrot.
Not cockut? We can use cockut?
No, we can't
All
use it.
right. Let me go and see if I could organize something. Remember,
Thank you very
JD
much.
downstairs. Let me see if you have anything that I could probably rest on the grill.
Fair enough.
Stick around.
Now I know you said you was going for something nice, but didn't realize it was all this.
Well, after you buff me up and you tell me I can't handle cockut, I had to go
No.
down the road and get some chicken for you, season it up.
Thank you so much.
And I
It's
use
so
that
sweet.
beautiful barbecue sauce that we just made. And you know, to be honest with you, you can't really tell that this didn't go on a grill or if it went in the oven.
No, for oven barbecue, this looks amazing.
This is oven barbecue. Again, you don't necessarily need to light up the grill on the charcoal and stuff. You could do this in the oven. We have the recipe for this also. Check it out there below.
Yeah.
Check the link for it. So it guides you through step by step on how to make this beautiful oven barbecue chicken using our pineapple barbecue sauce today.
Now I'm hearing all the things that you're saying, but I'm not really listening.
Kessie, what Kessie was trying to say right now, you talk, Jason, let me eat, because that's what Kessie does. Kessie just eats. But apart from that, I want you to tell me what you think. The chicken is moist. I could see a resplendence of that sauce. It's shining. It's almost giving you a sweet eye. Like,
Pretty.
hey, I'm moist, you know. I'm looking good. I'm shining. Sweet man sauce. When you see a young lady like Kessie Ann could taste this barbecue sauce and she loves it, you know we spot on.
It's sweet and it's smoky, and I can still get, like you can see the garlic studded all over here. It's such a robust flavor. It's amazing.
That's the beauty about it. It's not only bottled sauce. This one has character. It's done homemade.
Yeah.
So you know a lot of your attitude, personality, flair, whatever you like, you put into the sauce. I know,
Love.
I know
Put into
people
the
do this
sauce.
besides with pineapple. They try it with guavas also.
So that's what you're making for me next time?
You know, I just taught Kessie on how to make the sauce, and now I still have to make. Kessie,
Yeah, that's what you're here for. I mean, guys, thanks so much for joining us. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell below, and until next time,
Bye-bye.